There we go. Another beautiful afternoon. Come on, lazies, let's go. Another beautiful afternoon, guys. Monday afternoon stretch. It's very windy today. Very windy today. It's all good. They gotta learn. That's how they're gonna build up that wing muscle. Wing muscle, baby. Wing muscle. Look at the trees going crazy. Let's see if they're gonna come around here in the zone. Let's check out the zone here. Let's see how they do. But yeah, I see one just flew by. Let's see. Today we're gonna put these guys to the test. There they go. There they go. They're all over the place. Oh yeah. We took that one. He's like, look at him go. That one is throwing him all over. Jeez, I wish I could get that shot. Yeah, the wind is throwing him all over. It is very windy here, guys. Very windy. There they go. Putting the bad boys to the test. Just law flying. Hope I don't lose any today. Don't get carried away with the wind, guys. Come on now. There they go. They're trying to hold it down. The wind is, look at that one. The wind is throwing them all over. The wind is taking them all over. There you go. Come on, go get a taste of that wind. This is test number 1 here. Fighting them strong winds. Fighting them strong winds. Where that group went? Oh snap. Who's that? Somebody just hit the house? Oh yeah, what's wrong with him? The wind. Yeah, they'll land now. The wind a little too strong for them. But hey, how they gonna learn, right? How they gonna learn? They gotta learn somehow. You know, they gotta learn to battle them strong winds. East, west, north, south. You know? They're all over the place because the wind is taking them all over. Hey, come on now, fight it. Work it, baby. Yeah, they coming down. They get a taste of that wind. It's like, not today, daddy. A couple of them went back up. They still like it. Look at them. They're still going. Look at them go. Look at them go. They're fighting it. Yeah. They're definitely they're fighting it, that's for sure.
He wasn't ready.
He wasn't. Oh, you got him? Yeah. Oh, jeez.
He wasn't ready.
We got a quitter here. All right, put him back. Let me put him back in there. Put him back in the log. He a youngster. He came out. He got a little winded there for a minute. Go back in there, buddy. He's like, oh snap! This is the real world. Oh my God! But these guys here, you hear that wind, guys? Look at the chams. Look at the trees and the charms going. Got a couple of them. They're weaving them babbing, boy. Weaving them babbing. They're holding it down for the most part, that's for sure.
Those are our strong ones up there.
Yeah, boy. They're rocking it, that's for sure. They're rocking it. guys here, they're on the younger side. He's like, I'm going back home. I'm going back home. Some of them still up there, man. Got a nice little crew up there. Got a nice little crew up there, guys. Anyways, I just want to share my little wind experience here with these guys. It's very windy here today out here in Connecticut, guys. Very windy. As you can see the trees are weeping and babbling. Yeah, strong winds. Look at these guys, they're still going. These are the strong ones here. They're all through the trees. Anyways, guys, peace and love to all. Hope everybody have a good and blessed day. Stay focused. Love and respect each other. Positive vibes, always. Look at them fighting the wind. They're fighting the wind up there. They literally kind of pause in the air for a minute, fighting the wind. Oh man, they're dipping down all of it. You see how the wind carrying them over there? The wind taking them for a ride. All right, peace and love to all. I'm off.